Hello friend, in the last video of this module, I would like to take you to one more very strong and very important features of this Power Query editor, that is group by. Group by can convert your big data into a small table, a crisp table which can be used directly into visualization for any purpose. Right? For that, let me take you back to my Power Query editor, and this time we will do this group by activity on our real project, that is athlete games. So we have this athlete games, we have event id for all the uh, every time when an athlete of a country is participating in these games is generating one event id, right? So we have this event id, we have the name of the athlete, we have the gender of the athlete, we have the age, team, name of the country, and the year, season, city, sports, event, medal, so many things. Let me say, I want to know, I want to know that for a country, for a name, for any country, what is the minimum age of athlete who has participated ever? This is my question. So I want, listen carefully, I want the name of the country and the age of the minimum age of the athletes whosoever has participated ever. That means in one column I want the name of the country and another column I want the minimum age of the athlete. So that is a kind of a group by question. A group by requirement can fulfill this question very easily. So what I will do, I will go to this group by. In the transform ribbon, the first option, that is group by, I'll go here. First I will select the country. The first row is the country. So I will select the name of the country and OC. Then I will select the operation what I want. I want the operation the minima. I want the minima of age. Remember that we did that by group by name using sum of marks. So here I am using group by NOC using minima of age. Group by name of country using minima of age. And what should be the name of that column to be given? Let's suppose I have given a uh, youngest youngest player age. Let's suppose this is the column name which I have given, that can be customized. You can give any other name. When I'll press OK, it should revert with me with two columns only, NOC and youngest player age. Fine. I got a crisp cube of my big data layer which can be used directly. You remember that we have seen that Afghanistan has a player of 17 year of age who has participated. In Afghanistan, I remember that number, that the 17 was the youngest player. Let's see where is the Afghanistan in this table to cross check. Oh, it's very tough to identify from here. Let me take the Afghanistan here. Here is the AFG. CS. So Afghanistan 17. We got the answer. Let me see, out of all the country, who was the country where the youngest player was. Right. So I have removed that filter of Afghanistan. Now I am applying ascending in this age column, youngest player age. So I can see. Oh, so there are so many players who have. There are so many countries where players of 11 years has also participated in the game. Right. So this could be a small cube which can be used directly to the visualization. Let me remove this group by and we'll try something else. I'll filter rows. I will remove this group by function. Now, now my another question is, I want to know in each year, in each year, how many male and how many female has participated in this game, right? So here I am asking to do the group by year column, group by this column year, then again group by gender column, and give me the count of event ID, right? In terms of technically, I can say that I need the group by year, group by gender, count of event ID. Let's do this group by. This time I want to group by, so it won't be possible in the basic. So I will switch to the advanced version. First, I will see take the year. Then again, I will add another column by add grouping. Here I will take the gender also. Uh, Let me give the name column name as participant. Count of rows. Yeah, count of rows will also work. Count of rows, because we have just one row for each of the event ID. So count of rows will work. Let's see. I should get three columns. Yes. So I got year, gender, and participate. Now I want this into the in ascending form of year, so that you can I can read it here. In 1896, there were no female who have participated in the games. In 1900, there were 17 female and 688 male have participated in the games. In 1904, again, only two females have participated. In 1906, two female. So here, I can get a crisp information that can be directly used. So need not to go with the that huge table interpretation if I want, if I'm interested in just this information. So group by is a very strong tool which we data analysts use this group by 100 times in a day, because it gives me a crisp answer to my problem, right? So you can apply group by anywhere in itself. This group by table you can apply further a group by. Let's suppose on the basis of gender, give me the sum of participant. Give me the column as total participant. So till now I have checked the how many gender, what was the gender ratio of participation. So male have participated 82,000 times, when female have participated 31,000 times, right? So I'm not removing these group by columns as of now, so that you guys can also have this in your resource file. Fine. So this was module 3. We have completed this module 3. We have learned so many transformation techniques that we used to transform our data in Power BI query editor. In the next module, we will deep dive more into this Power BI world. Till then, thank you.